Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. You all are welcome to Mahdi English School online education. I am glad to welcome all of you in a new session of mathematics. Here we are going to start our day with a meaningful thought. Today's thought is, the roots of education are bitter, but the fruit is sweet. Yes, my dear students, what is the meaning for this? Roots of education are bitter, that to achieve the education, wherever you need to give some efforts, maybe it is tough for you, but at the end, the achievement or the fruit of your work is sweet. So, start doing words towards your success. A very large best of luck to all my dear tiny students. So, here we are going to start today's lecture. Before we start, everyone sit straight, make your back straight. Very good. So tell me, my dear students, how was the experience to make revision? You all are enjoying? Recall all the previous lectures? Very good. In the series of revision essay 1, today we will continue the topic which we started in previous lecture. So before we start, everyone sit straight, make your back straight. Is every essential stationery with you? Your pencil, notebook, sharpener, eraser. Very good. Now write down today's date and day here. I told you in each and every lecture, my dear students, that compulsory you all have to write with me, as this is your board. I am not using the word blackboard, because right now we are having a very nice and colorful board. So now the ball is in your court. You all have to copy the work with me. I write down the heading, revision essay 1. Whenever we start the lecture, it is compulsory that you write the heading so that you can understand what we are doing. REVISION, revision essay 1. Before we start, let me explain what we have completed in previous lecture. First of all, we become familiar with the syllabus. Syllabus of essay 1 is chapter 1 to 6 as well as tables 1 to 5. In previous lecture, we read and write number names. Let's see which number names we have completed in previous lecture. First we learn number names 51 to 60. 51, FIFTYONE1, 51. 52, FIFTY50, TWO2, 52. 53, FIFTY50, THREE3, 53. 54, FIFTY, 50, FOUR, 4, 54. 55, FIFTY, 50, FIVE, 5, 55. 56, FIFTY, 50, SIX, 6, 56. 57, FIFTY, 50, SEVEN, 7, 57. 58, FIFTY, 50, EIGHT, 8, 58. 59, FIFTY, 50, NINE, 9, 59. 60, 60, SIXTY, 60. I repeat, the spelling of 60 is SIXTY, 60. After completing number names 51 to 60, we also learn number names 61 to 70. Let's take a quick recap for the same. 61, SIXTY, 60, ONE, 1, 61. 62, SIXTY, 60, TWO, 2, 62. 63, SIXTY, 60, THREE, 3, 63. 64, SIXTY, 60, FOUR, 4, 64. 65, SIXTY, 60, FIVE, 5, 65. 66, SIXTY, 60, SIX, 6, 66. 67, SIXTY, 60, SEVEN, 7, 67. 68, SIXTY, 60, EIGHT, 8, 68. 69, SIXTY, 60, NINE, 9, 69. 70, 70, SEVENTY, 70. I would like to repeat, SEVENTY, 70. My dear students, we completed the number names of 51 to 60 as well as 61 to 70 in our previous lecture. This was a quick recap or revision of previous lecture. Now get ready for your writing work, as you all have to write with me now. We all are making revision now. So here you all have to write with me as well as you have to read with me. Do you know the advantage of reading while you are writing? So that you can memorize the thing which you are writing very easily. So whenever you write either any of the subject, either it is maths, English, science or any other subject, what should you do? You have to read it loudly while you are writing, so that you can memorize the thing very easily. So get ready for your writing part. Write the heading, number name 71 to 80. NUMBER number, NAME name 71 to 80. Now you all have to copy the work with me, okay? NUMBER number, NAME name 71 to 80. Everyone completed the writing part. Now leave one line and then write 7171. Write down the number 71. SEVENty 70. ONE 1 71. SEVENTY 70. ONE 1 71. Completed? Very good. Leave one line and then write the next number. Seven to 72. Everyone write down the number 72. SEVENTY 70. TWO 72. Everyone copy the work properly. Do you remember what I have said? That you have to read it loudly. Read it. SEVENTY 70. TWO 72. Very good. Leave one line and write the next number. It is 7373. What is the number? 73. Copy the number. Very good. Now write down the number name for the same. SEVENTY 70. THREE 3. 73. Read it loudly. SEVENTY 70. THREE 3 73. Very good. Leave one line and write the next number. It is 74. 74. The number name is SEVENTY 70. FOUR 4. 74. Again I am going to repeat. Now you all have to read it loudly. SEVENTY 70. FOUR 4. 74. Leave one line and write the next number, which is 75. Everyone copy the number in your book. 75. SEVENTY 70. FIVE 5. 75. SEVENTY 70. FIVE 5. Each and everyone, compulsory you have to read it loudly, huh? Read it with me. SEVENTY 70. FIVE 5. 75. Leave one line and write the next number. 76. 76. 76. SEVENTY 70. SIX 6. 76. 76. 76. SEVENTY 70. SIX 6. 76. $77. Write down the number 77. 77. SEVENTY 70. SEVEN 7. Everyone, write down the number name. SEVENTY 70. SEVEN 7. 77. Leave one line and then write the new one. 78. 78. Everyone copy the number 78 in your book. SEVENTY 70, EIGHT 8, 78. Everyone read it loudly with me. SEVENTY 70, EIGHT 8, 78. Leave one line and then write the next one. 7979. Everyone copy the number 7979. SEVENTY 70, NINE 9, 79. SEVENTY 70, NINE 9, 79. Leave one line and then write the next number. 8080, 8080. EIGHTY 80, EIGHTY 80. Now read this spelling 3 times with me. EIGHTY 80, EIGHTY 80. One more time. EIGHTY 80. Very good. Is everyone completing the work? So till now we have completed the revision of number names 71 to 80. Make sure that while you are writing you have to leave one line. Now we are going to start the new. Here you have to keep one thing in your mind, that you have to start the next one on a new page. Okay? Write down the heading, number name 81 to 90. NUMBER number, NAME name, number name 81 to 90. So again I want to remind that now you have to start writing from a new page. Number name 81 to 90. Tell me, my dear students, who have completed 71 to 80? Everyone, na? Very good. So now we are going to learn 81 to 90. Write down the number 8181. Everyone, write down the number 8181. EIGHTYATONE 181. 8181. EIGHTYATONE 1. Look, my dear students, I want to repeat again that you all have to read loudly. Wants to read it again? EIGHTYATONE 1. Why I am speaking very slowly? Because you all can copy the work properly. If I increase my speed, then you can't copy me. So I am detecting you very slowly, so that all my tiny students can copy the work properly. Okay? Now leave one line and then write the next one. 8282. Write down the number 8282. EIGHTYATTWO 82. EIGHTYATTWO 82. Leave one line and then write the new one. 8383. Next number is 8383. EIGHTYATTHREE. I repeat, EIGHTYATTHREE 83. You all are writing as well as reading, na? Very good. So, have you completed? Leave one line and then write the next one. 84. Next number is 8484. EIGHTYATFOUR 4. 84. Now read loudly. EIGHTYATFOUR 4. 84. Eight five 85. 8585. EIGHTYATFIVE 5. 85. Read loudly with me. EIGHTYATFIVE 5. So my dear students, today onwards we will stop here. In next lecture we will complete till 100. As in our syllabus you have to memorize number names from 51 to 100. In this series today we almost completed till 85. Now get ready to note down the homework. In homework today you have to write given number names one time in your maths fair book. I already told you that if possible prepare a revision part in your maths fair book and note down all the revision work on the same way. Okay? So today also you have to write given number names in your maths fair book one time. At your home, stay safe, stay happy, take care of yourself. We will meet in the next lecture. Till then, thank you very much and bye-bye everyone.